Hi there. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about our health services career training programs. My name is Heather, and joining me is our Career Services Program Director, Carmen Lewis. UWF Continuing Education's mission is to deliver in-demand training programs that meet the needs of the regional and state workforce. We're thrilled to share more today about upcoming training programs that lead to successful careers in in-demand healthcare occupations. In the coming years, healthcare occupations are projected to grow much faster than all other occupations. This includes an 8 to 15% increase in demand for roles available through healthcare career training programs at UWF. Our programs are designed for working adults. Accelerated programs can be completed in 4 to 6 months and require about a 6 hour per week commitment. The curriculum prepares students for nationally recognized certification exams on which UWF students have been shown to achieve a significantly above average pass rate. Trainings are led by experienced industry professionals committed to student success. Now I'll hand the presentation over to our healthcare training director, Carmen, to tell us more about our programs. Carmen, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Heather. Let's start with our newest program we've introduced, and it's certainly one of a kind. We are the only dental training institution in the area with a program like this. This program is 16 weeks hybrid with live instruction, meaning that you'll be in class by Zoom and in labs 2 days a week for 6 hours for 16 weeks. What sets this program apart is its condensed format and targeted instruction intended to move you quickly towards employment. This program also opens the doors for career advancement opportunities down the road. You'll prepare for the registered dental assistant through the American Medical Technologists, and students are also qualified for the Dental Assisting National Board if you choose to get that certification as well. Labs are taught in a dental office setting for hands-on training, and you will be able to use the equipment that's found in doctor's offices, dental offices, when you're working in your externship. There is a required externship near the end of the program of 80 hours. This program is $4,500 and includes everything that you need to become a registered dental assistant. As everyone is learning with AI technology, electronic health records is becoming more and more important in how we teach and track medical records. Electronic health record specialists interact with patients and physicians and insurance professionals and ensure that the best possible medical care experience is had by their clients. This program is 12 weeks. It is live, virtually taught, whereas you will be at your computer 1 day a week or 2 days a week, depending on what day of the week the program is, for 6 hours a week. At the end of the program, you will be given the information so that you can take the National Health Career Association certification exam to become an electronic health records specialist. EHR specialists are trained in handling and monitoring digital patient records. These professionals help ensure accuracy, compliance, and efficient information handling for patient care in medical offices. Our training focuses on learning digital record systems and basic coding. Our most popular program is the Certified Clinical Medical Assistant. This is also a 16-week hybrid program with in-person labs. You'll meet 1 day a week via Zoom with your live instructors, and then one day a week on campus at UWF for labs and clinicals. This program also has an externship near the end of the program for 80 hours. The nice thing about this program with the externship is that Many of our graduates have been hired at externship locations and accepted jobs based on the recommendations they receive from their experience. A CCMA supports direct care, including taking vitals, assisting with exams and procedures, giving injections. Our program also includes phlebotomy and EKG, and you are qualified through NHA to take the certified phlebotomy technician and the certified EKG technician exams if that's something you choose to do on your own. A unique feature of the CCMA is that eligible students are going to sit for the exam together at the end of the program and be certified within that 16 weeks. Our medical billing and coding program is another popular program. This program is taught live, virtually, again from home, with a live instructor for 17 weeks. You'll meet 2 days a week in the evenings. The course is an entry-level billing and coding. It's not only for beginning a new career, but it's also a foundational training that sets students up for career progression and working towards additional certifications like CPC certification. Although the CPC exam isn't included in our tuition, it provides foundational skills and competencies needed for working towards this advanced certification. At the end of the program, you'll be given the information to sit for the NHA exam. The fee includes the tuition. It includes coding books. It includes the CBCS exam. Class time is focused heavily on coding practice. Careers in this field can also offer the ability to work from home or in an office, which is an added benefit to many, many people. The last program I'd like to talk about is our Certified Medical Administrative Assistant. This is a 13-week program. Like all of our other programs, it leads to certification from the NHA for Certified Medical Administrative Assistant exam. It also includes all the instructions, all the materials that you need to take that exam and pass. This program, unlike the CCMA, does not include, there's no hands-on work because you are the front office support. You can be also the back office support. You just are not going to be doing any phlebotomy or anything, any type of hands-on. It's geared towards those interested in engaging with patients more so on an administrative level, including things like check-ins, appointment scheduling, accepting patients, coordinating billing and bookkeeping, and much, much more. Of course, the biggest question everybody has when they're deciding on a new career is how am I going to fund my education? And our programs, as you've seen, they are very condensed. We take out the fluff and filler. What we're doing is we're teaching you what you need to quickly take a certification exam, be prepared for that certification exam, and get into the workforce. So none of these programs will qualify for any type of Pell Grants or FAFSA, but we do have some other ways that you can fund your education. We work with MyCAA, which is a grant through the military. We work with the WIOA through your local career source, which is a federal grant that covers training expenses for eligible individuals. We also work with some different continuing education loans, such as Sallie Mae, College Av or PNC. We also have an in-house funding opportunity. So if you have questions about funding opportunities and how you can fund your education, please reach out to us because we can help guide you and talk you through what will be the best fit for you and your family.
Thank you for all of that information, Carmen. Very helpful. So just to recap some of our program details that we covered today, Our programs are designed to help you move towards nationally recognized certifications for in-demand occupations. All of our trainings feature live instruction from experienced instructors invested in your success. Externship opportunities support hands-on learning and future employment references, and accelerated programs are designed to help you reach your career goals faster. We have a couple of our most frequently asked questions about these programs to cover today as well. One of the questions that we're asked quite frequently is, do I need previous healthcare experience to enroll?
No, you do not. We have geared these programs to be able to teach the person that might have some healthcare background, like medical terminology, things like that. That would just be a refresher. But really, it's geared from the very beginning of someone who has no experience in healthcare at all and take you from the very beginning to the very end. So if you don't have any healthcare experience, but you've always wanted to be in the healthcare industry, which always is going to have job opportunities for you, you will be able to take these programs with ease. And then again, as I said, if you have some healthcare experience, use it as a job refresher or a refresher for your knowledge that you already have. And you'll always learn some things, I promise.
Sounds like a great way to jump into the field. The second question that we're asked quite frequently is, do you offer payment plans?
Yes, we actually do. We do have a no interest, no fees at all for payment plan where you can divide your payments into four equal payments from before you start the class to before you end the class. Again, those have no fees or any type of interest involved in them. And then, of course, when you do your Sally Mays or anything like that, those loans, those to me are considered payment plans. So we have gotten creative on helping you fund that. So please make sure that if you do have questions, reach out to us so that we can help you determine what's the best avenue for you and your families.
Awesome, Carmen. Thank you so much. If there are any additional questions, we encourage you to reach out. We have a dedicated student support team. On our next slide, we've got some contact information. You can reach out to us at continuinged@uwf.edu. You can also contact us by phone at 850-473-7468. You can also find all of our program information on our website listed here. It is uwf.edu/continuing ed. Thank you all so much for watching and learning more about our career training programs at UWF.